Hey, Ali Hopa! Monday morning, it's a frosty day. Just got here. I'm just gonna go and check on the microgreens that I started last week. It's the first trial. I'm still growing it in the office because we didn't have the shipping container till Friday. Alright, so looks like we're doing pretty good. The radishes germinated pretty well. It's their 5th day. That's the mustard. Peas are doing fine. The beetroots germinated pretty well. It's almost 98% germination. All right. Looks like everything's coming along. It looks great. Tuesday morning,
-7. We're emptying the test bed because all the farmers are moving now to the new place in Montreal, and which gives us the occasion to redesign a bit the test bed and optimize it for those 200 square meters that people get to farm. So today is removal of the containers and a bit of design. It's going to be exciting.
It's Wednesday. We were able to finish insulating the floor of our microgreens shipping container yesterday and ended up just putting a temporary heater inside to keep it all warm and make it ready for today's paint job. So let's just take a look and see how things are coming along.
I don't remember what we said. You wanted the proper. Take it. Nice.
Thursday morning. Our racks are here for the container. They just arrived, so I gotta get moving.